Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to purchase an account with Good Funded Trader. So I'm going to purchase an account with them, and I'm purchasing the account with my phone because this is what most people will likely use to purchase their own account. So I'll be using my phone to direct you on how to purchase an account with Good Funded Trader. So guys, not waste much of our time. Let's go ahead and purchase the account. And very important, before we proceed, if you are new to Good Funded, the link to sign with Good Funded is already in the description of this particular video. If you sign up and use this promo code you are seeing on the screen, you will get a 40% discount on any account you'll be going for. And if you are new to Good Funded, you can use this particular coupon code I see on the screen, so you can get up to 50% discount on any account you'll be going for. Now, this is exactly how the interface of Good Funded looks like. So after creating an account with them, using the link in the description of this particular video and sign in, this is just how the interface will look like. Now, if you want to purchase an account, just go to the left hand side, that red line there. If you click on it, then you see the particular place where they will buy a challenge. That's what to click on. If you click on buy a challenge, then to take you to this particular place. If this is your first time, you can see a coupon code that they will give to you. They said Bongo 40. You understand? So, but there's another discount code I can get that can give you up to 50%. So, but for now, if you start with my link now, you can use the first GFT. You understand? And then you get a 50% discount on any account you're going for. So now, first of all, you need to edit it. Click on edit so I can choose the particular package that you want. You understand? But for me, the package that I want is the two-step goat, because that one is the new one and it's very cheap. Now, first of all, I need to go and choose the MetaTrader 5. If I choose MT5, because I'll be trading on MT5, then I'll be choosing the two-step GOAT account. I have two-step GOAT and two-step standard, so I'm going for two-step GOAT. Then I'm purchasing a 50k account. Then I'll click on 50k, and then I'll select MetaTrader 5. Then you can see the price here. This is the price. Then you scroll down. Just in case you want 100% profit share, you can tick this. But I don't. But they'll add extra 20% to the amount of money you want to use and purchase the account. Then the second one is first payout on demand. Normally, Good Funded I used to pay every 14 days. But if you want to be getting your payouts, especially the first payout on demand, then you can tick this thing. They'll add 15% on any 15% of the money you are going to use and purchase the account. They'll add extra 15% on it. So that's it, guys. So this one is that if you want to buy multiple accounts, you can choose. They have 50k. Most popular, some people used to buy 250k account at once. You can buy 3. You can also buy 4. But me, I just want 1. Then you can see here, you can fill your username. You understand? Your usernames, everything, your country, your address, everything. Just go ahead and fill it. Although now, this is where you apply the coupon code. This is where it's very, very important that you should sign up with my own link. Then at this particular point now, I don't want to use Bogo 40. Bogo 40 will give you 40% discount. Then I'll go ahead and click on remove. Then I'll go ahead and paste the, you understand, first GFT. This is my first time getting an account with Good Funded. So that's it, guys. And then it was actually applied. Then this time around, it's no longer 40% discount. It's now 50% discount. You can see the total amount of money that I need to purchase an account is now $150. But before it was around $190. So that is the discount you are going to get if you use my link to sign up and then use this particular coupon code to purchase an account. Now, next thing is the payment method. You can use your credit or debit card to purchase the account. They have menu pay, bank transfer. Crypto is the one I'm going to use. So I'll go ahead and select crypto. Then this particular place where they wrote, I have read and agreed to their website. Do you understand? You want to purchase the account, of course, you need to agree to their terms and conditions. Then next thing is to click on place order. Now look at the payment method. If you want to use crypto to purchase an account with them, we have the USDC, we have the USDT, USDG, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins. So, but for this particular video, I'm going to be using USDT. So if you click on USDT, next thing is for you to choose the network. Do you understand? We have the Tron, the Ethereum, the Solana, the Arbitrum. Everly, I will use the BNB Smart Chain because it's actually more cheaper. So once I select it now, it will show me the total amount of money that I will pay. You can see we have 154.6. That is the total amount of money I'm going to send to this platform. Now I'll go ahead and click on this arrow now. They will show me the amount of money that I need to pay, and then the token. Do you understand? The network. Most important thing here is for me to copy this wallet address that is here, and then go to my exchange. Do you understand? So for me, I'm using Bitget. If you're using Bybit or Binance, then you can actually know the one you're using. But for me, I'm using Bitget. So I'm going to copy this wallet address and then go over to my Bitget and then send this crypto amount of money to this particular platform. Now, if you go to your Bitget account, go to your assets, do you understand? And then click on withdraw. If you are clicking on withdraw, that means you want to move out money from Bitget. If you want to add money, then you click on add money, add funds. So because I want to transfer money to good funded trader, then I'm going to click on withdraw. If you click on withdraw, then this option will come out. On chain withdrawal, do you understand? Then this one, they have internal transfer. This one is for by Bitget to Bitget. This one doesn't have fee. They have sell crypto, but for now we are using on-chain withdrawal. Do you understand? So here you can use a crypto like USDT they are talking about. Now, if you click on that particular one, next thing is click on go to search and search for USDT. Then if you search for USDT, everything about USDT will pop out. Now, the wallet address that you copied from good funded website, that's what I'm going to paste here. Next thing is to choose the network. Then click on this drop down menu and then choose the network. The one network we'll choose there is Binance Smart Chain. And Binance Smart Chain is BIP20. You understand? You can see it here. BIP20 is Binance Smart Chain. We'll go ahead and select it. Now, the minimum withdrawal is $10. Now, we need to move money to this particular place, but there's no money in our funded account. So let's transfer money from our spot account, from our OTC account to our spot account. Then I'll go ahead and click on confirm. Now, the money is now on our spot account. Now let's go ahead and click on all. So the network fee is here. And then total amount of money that I'm going to send to good funded is so what I did here was that I just went and copied the total amount of money that I was supposed to send to good funded trader. I copied it and then I pasted it here, as simple as that, so that we won't be having any issue. Then this is the network fee, 0.15 USDT. Next thing that we are going to do now is just to click on the withdrawal button. So once you click on the withdraw button, then this interface will come out for us to confirm what you're about to do. Do you understand? Confirm the address, confirm the network, confirm the amount. Please let's confirm these things again, because any mistake, I think the money is gone. 65. So now we are good to go. Now next thing is to click on confirm. If you click on confirm, we are going to do a two security verification here, our email and also our Google authenticator. So let's go and get all these things ready. I'll paste it here. If your phone is hanging this period, it will not be easy for you. I'll click on confirm and it is done. So that's it, guys. So I'll go and check my email to see if they have actually received their money. Let me view withdrawals. Okay, it's still pending, it's still rotating. And so here we go, guys. The money have actually gone through. You can see they have debited this 154 from my own account. Now let me check my email. You can see the time here 5:42 was when we got the code. Then by 5:44, then their payment method, do you understand? Payment method which Google Funded was using, which is confirmed, will have confirmed the movement of my crypto from my Bitget account to Good Funded. You can see our Good Funded have sent me an email. Congratulations on your decision to take our Good Funded trader evaluation. You can see all those things. So if I scroll down now, do you understand? You're going to see my login ID and then the server and also the password. That's what I've used and log into my MetaTrader 5. So the same thing will happen if you are purchasing an account with Good Funded. The next one is Good Trader. They said you've unlocked a free pay later challenge. I know you guys must have been hearing about that one, but that one will be later. We'll check it out. Then next one is Bitget have approved my withdrawal. Okay, that's Bitget have approved the movement of my $154 to good funded account. You can see within 2 minutes, everything happened within 2 minutes. Now let us go to my account. Let's visit the Go Funded Trader account. You can see where they wrote you can close this window now. So I think we are done. Let's click on exit. Now if you click on exit now, so the website started by telling me that purchase was a success. Do you understand? Thank you and best of luck on your journey as a good trader. I've not seen my 50k account. So where is my account, please? Let's go home. Remove the ads. I have purchased the account, please. Number of accounts too. Where is my 50k account, please? That's what I want to see. Okay, here is my 50k account, phase 1. And this buy now, pay later is a 100k account. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'm going to start trading this 50k account. I'm going to pass the phase 1 and also the phase 2, and I'm going to get funded. So if you want to see how I'm going to do this, just the link to join my Telegram community is already in the description of this particular video. Because eventually I'm going to place on this account, I'll be sharing it to the community. So join us, guys. Let's trade together. Just in case you don't know how good funded trader actually works, like I've made a review video share on this particular package that I just bought. So that one is actually okay. I've made a review video on it, which is in the description of this particular video. So go ahead and watch it, guys. If you still want to purchase an account with Good Funded Trader, the link to sign up with Good Funded Trader is only in the description of this particular video. It's a discount link. If this video was helpful, I'm not trying to purchase an account with Good Funded Trader. Please don't forget to do just one favor by liking this particular video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.